Good morning, my dear students. This is probability chapter, lecture 14, problem continuation, problem 9, random variables topic, discrete random variables topic, problems continuation, problem 9. Given that f of x equal to k by 2x is a probability distribution for a random variable capital X which can take the values 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, then find k, mean, variance, standard deviation. So x is equal to 0, f of 0 not defined. So consider x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Consider x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Something by infinity, something by 0 is not defined. So x is equal to 0, f of 0 not defined. So consider x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Table form, x is equal to x. Probability x is equal to x. x1, 2, 3, 4. When x is equal to 1, what is your f of x? F of x is nothing but px is equal to x. So f of 1, x is equal to 1, f of 1 is k by 2. X is equal to f of 2 is k by 4. X is equal to 3, f of 3 is equal to k by 2 into 3. So here f of x is k by 2x, so k by 6. X is equal to 4, f of 4 k by 8. Here f of x is given k by 2x. So substituting these values we get f1, f2, f3, f4. That is nothing but probability x is equal to x. So we get here k by 2, k by 4, k by 6, k by 8. We know sum of the probabilities is equal to 1. So k by 2 plus k by 4 plus k by 6 plus k by 8 is equal to 1. So taking LCM 24 to 12k plus, so we know sum of the probabilities is equal to 1. So adding and taking LCM 24, cross multiplying, we get k is equal to 24 by 25. Second bit, mean is equal to mu is equal to sigma x into px is equal to x. Formula. So 1 into k by 2 plus 2 into k by 4 plus 3 into k by 6 plus 4 into k by 8. So k by 2 plus k by 2 plus k by 2 plus k by 2. 4k by 2 is equal to 2k. 2 into k is 24 by 25. 48 by 25. 48 by 25. Next. So variance sigma square is equal to sigma x square into px is equal to x minus mu square formula. So taking LCM, simplifying, we get 1.1136. Standard deviation is nothing but plus root of variance. So 1.055. So very known method to you, very useful method. Just LCM, taking LCM and simplifying by using calculator, we get these things. This is the formula for getting variance, standard deviation formula. A sample of 4 items is selected at random from a box containing 12 items, of which 5 are defective. 12 items లో 5 defective ఉన్నాయి, వాటిలోంచి 4 తీసుకున్నాడు. ఫైండ్ ద ఎక్స్పెక్టెడ్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఈ అంటే ఈవెంట్ ఆఫ్ డిఫెక్టివ్ ఐటమ్స్. ఈ అనేది డిఫెక్టివ్ ఐటమ్ యొక్క ఈవెంట్. లెట్ ఎక్స్ డినోట్ ద నంబర్ ఆఫ్ డిఫెక్టివ్ ఐటమ్స్ అమాంగ్ 4 items drawn from 12 items. X can take the values 0 defective, 1 defective, 2 defective, 3 defective, 4 defective. Here D means defective. Total items 12, వాటిలో defective 5, good 7. Total number of events NS is equal taking 4 items from 12 C4. P X is equal 0 means P no defective. No defective అంటే all good. All good అనొచ్చు, 4 good అనొచ్చు. 4 good. All good or 4 good. 4 good. సో డిఫెక్టివ్ 5లోంచి 0 రావాలి, నో డిఫెక్టివ్ అంటే 0. 5C0 ఇండిపెండెంట్ ఈవెంట్స్ ఇంటూ 4 7లోంచి రావాలి గుడ్ అంటే 7C4 టోటల్ ఈవెంట్స్ 12C4 favorable events by total events, that is the probability definition. Simplifying by calculator we get 7/99. Px is equal to 1, probability of 1 defective and 3 good. 1 defective 5C1, 3 good 7C3. 5C1 into 7C3 by 12C4. Simplifying 35/99. Px is equal to probability of 2 defective and 2 good. 5C2 into 7C2 by 12C4. 42/99. Px is equal to 3. P means probability. Probability of x is equal to 3 means probability of 3 defective, 1 good. 5C3 into 7C1 by 12C4. 14/99. Px is equal to 4. P 4 defective and 0 good. 5C4 into 7C0 by 12C4. 1/99. Discrete probability distribution is given by x equal to x, px equal to x. Distribution వేసాం, ప్రాబిలిటీస్ అని నోట్ చేశాను. ఎక్స్పెక్టెడ్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ డిఫెక్టివ్ ఐటమ్స్ మ్యూ సిగ్మా. ఎక్స్పెక్టెడ్ అన్నా యావరేజ్ అన్నా మీన్ అన్నా ఒకటే. సిగ్మా ఎక్స్ ఇంటూ px equal to x. 0 into this one plus 1 into this plus 2 into this plus 3 into this plus 4 into this. Okay. LCM 99. 165/99. 1.666. Problem 11. Find the mean and variance of the uniform probability distribution given by f of x is equal to 1/n for x is equal to 1, 2, 3 so on n. Solution. Discrete probability distribution is given by x equal to x. F of x is nothing but probability. Px equal to x. 1, 2, 3 so on n is given. So f of 1, x is equal to 1. F of 1, 1/n. When x equal to f of 2, 1/n. యూనిఫామ్ ప్రాబిలిటీ ఏ వాల్యూ కైనా 1/n వస్తుంది. ఫిక్స్డ్, ఇది కాన్స్టెంట్ కదా. ఎక్స్ వల్ల 1 పెట్టినా 2 పెట్టినా 3 పెట్టినా మీకు అన్నీ 1/n వస్తాయి. సరే, మీన్ మ్యూ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు సిగ్మా ఎక్స్ ఇంటూ పిఎక్స్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఎక్స్. 1 into 1/n ప్లస్ 2 into 1/n ప్లస్ 3 into 1/n ప్లస్ సో ఆన్ n into 1/n. సార్ అన్నిట్లో 1/n LCM 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on n. 1 plus 2 plus 3 sum of first n natural numbers n into n plus 1/2. Already denominator n ఉంది, n cancel, n plus 1/2. This is mean. Variance formula. sigma square is equal to sigma x square px is equal to x minus mu square is equal to x square means 1 square. 1 square into 1 by n plus 2 square into 1 by n plus 3 square into 1 by n plus so on n square into 1 by n minus mu square n plus 1 by 2 whole square. So you LCM is n 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus so on n square minus n plus 1 by 2 whole square. This is mu square. Look here, sum of squares of first n natural numbers formula n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Already denominator n is there. n plus 1 by 2 whole square. n cancel. n cancel. So this is n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 minus n plus 1 whole square by 4. So LCM is 12. So n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 minus n plus 1 whole square by 4, LCM 12. 2 times 2 into multiplying this, simplifying, we get n square minus 1 by 12. Problem 12. Problem 12. Let x denote the sum of the two numbers that appear when a pair of dice, one pair means 2 dice, is tossed. Determine the distribution function mean variance. Or 2 dice are rolled at random. Find the probability distribution of the sum of the numbers on them. Also find mean and variance. ఇలాగైనా అడగవచ్చు, ఇలాగైనా అడగవచ్చు. ఇంపార్టెంట్ ప్రాబ్లం. Solution. 2 dice are tossed. So total number of events ns is equal to 6 square 36. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Minimum sum 1 plus 1 2. Minimum sum. Maximum sum. Maximum total maximum sum 6 plus 6 12. Let x denote the sum of the two numbers appear on 2 dice. X can take values minimum 2 maximum 12 కాబట్టి 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So probability distribution function is given by like this. Now you find mean of the x. Use the formula. So mean mu is equal to sigma x into px is equal to x. So 2 into 1 by 36 plus 3 into 2 by 36. From the table, multiply x and probability values and taking sum, we get this one. So 36 is the LCM. So we get here 2 plus 6 plus 12 plus 20 plus 30 plus 42 plus 40 plus 36 plus 30 plus 22 plus 12. So summing we get 252 by 36, that is 7. Variance sigma square is equal to sigma x square into px is equal to x minus mu square is equal to 2 square into 1 by 36. X square means square cheyali. So variance mean is equal to, using that formula we get 252 by 36 is equal to 7. Variance sigma square is equal to sigma x square px equal to x minus mu square. Using that formula, this is sigma x square px equal to minus mu square means 7 square. Simplifying 5.83. Just simplifications. Using calculator we get final value. If the random variable capital X takes the values 1, 2, 3, 4 such that 2 into px is equal to 1 is equal to 3 into px is equal to 2 is equal to p into x is equal to 3 is equal to 5 into px is equal to 4. Find the probability distribution mean variance of x. Clearly x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. We know sum of the probability is equal to 1. Px is equal to 1 plus px is equal to 2 plus px is equal to 3 plus px is equal to 4 is equal to 1. You write px is equal to 1 as it is. Px is equal to 2. From this px is equal to is 2 by 3 px is equal to 1. Px is equal to 3. From this px is equal to 3 is 2 into px is equal to 1. Px is equal to 4. 2 by 5 px is equal to 1. So common px is equal to 1. 1 plus 2 by 3 plus 2 plus 2 by 5. LCM is 15. 61 by 15. Px is equal to 1. 15 by 61. Px is equal to 2 by 3. Px is equal to 1. 2 by 3 into 15 by 61. 5 times 10 by 61. Px is equal to 3. 2 into px is equal to 1. 2 into 15 by 61. 30 by 61. Px is equal to 4. 2 by 5 into px is equal to 1. 2 by 5 into 15 by 61. 3 times 6 by 61. Probability distribution function is x equal to x, px equal to x, 1, 2, 3, 4, 15 by 61, 10 by 61, 30 by 61, 6 by 61. So mean is equal to sigma x into px is equal to x. So from table 1 into 15 by 61 plus 2 into 10 by 61, 3 into 30 by 61, 4 into 6 by 61, 61 LCM, 15 plus 20 plus 90 plus 24, 110, 125, 129, 149, 149 by 61. 149 by 61. Variance sigma square is equal to sigma x square into px is equal to x minus mu square formula. So 1 square into 15 by 61 plus 2 square into 10 by 61 plus 3 square, x square means 3 square, 30 by 61 plus 4 square into 6 by 61 minus mu square means 149 by 61 whole square is equal to 61 is LCM, 15 plus 4 into 10 40 plus 9 into 30 270 plus 16 into 96 minus 149 whole square by 61 whole square. Variance is equal to sigma square equal to sigma x square px equal to x minus mu square 1 square into 15 by 61 plus 2 square into 10 by 61 plus 3 square into 30 by 61 plus 4 square into 6 by 61. This is the 149 by 61 whole square. Simplifying by using calculator we get 0.9352. This is simplifications. Using calculator we get these things. A random sample with replacement of size 2 is taken from S is equal to 1, 2, 3. Let the random variable capital X denote the sum of the two numbers taken. Find number 1 probability distribution of X, second one mean, third one variance. 1 2 3 5 6 బదులు 1 2 3 ఇచ్చాడు, అంతకనే లేదు. ఆల్రెడీ ప్రాబ్లం చేసాం మనం. సో S is equal to 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 minimum sum 1 plus 1 2, maximum sum 3 plus 3 6. So X can take values from 2 to 6, that is X is equal to 2 3 4 5 6. NS is equal to, for two options 1 1 1 2 1 3 2 1 2 2 2 3 3 1 3 2 3 3 9. Px equal to sum 2 రావాలంటే 1 1 రావాలి, అంటే 1 by 9. Px equal to 3 1 2 2 1 2 favorable events 2 by 9. Px equal to 4 1 3 2 2 3 1 3 favorable events 3 by 9. Favorable events by total events probability formula. Px equal to 5 5 రావాలంటే దీంట్లో చూడండి ఎట్లా వస్తాయో 2 3 3 2 2 by 9. Px equal to 6 only one option 3 3 6 total రావాలంటే 1 by 9. Probability distribution is the probability distribution function. So mean mu is equal to formula sigma x into px is equal to x. We get 4. Variance sigma square equal to px square into px is equal to x minus mu square. So simplifying by using calculator we get the values. Very easy, same model, same problems.